All right, Frankie, let me ask you, what's a closure in JavaScript? And can you give me an example of when you use one?
Yeah, a closure is essentially a function that retains access to its lexical scope. So even when the function is executed outside of the scope, so it means that a closure can remember and access variables from outer function even after the outer function has finished executing. So for example, let's say I have a function create counter and that returns another function. The return function can access and modify a variable can't define in create a counter. Yeah.
That's great. Thanks. That's very nice. Give me a real world scenario where closures are actually useful. Can you do that?
Oh yeah, sure. I just need to think about it for a little bit. Um, yeah. So usually when it's dealing with asynchronous operations. So imagine you're building a web application where you need to fetch data from API and then process it. You might have a function that makes the API call and returns another function, so that the process the data once it's fetched, the return function can access the data and fetch by the API and call due to closures. Yeah.